What if reality as we perceive it is but a mere illusion, a partial understanding of a deeper, more profound truth? This question leads us down the rabbit hole of quantum entanglement, a concept so bizarre, it challenges our very understanding of the universe. Quantum entanglement is a fascinating phenomenon where particles become inextricably linked, so much so that the state of one immediately influences the state of the other, no matter the distance between them. It's as if these particles, once entangled, form an invisible, unbreakable bond. This defies classical physics, which tells us that nothing can travel faster than light. Yet here we are with particles instantly affecting each other across vast expanses of space. This quantum quirk doesn't stop at space, it also transcends time. Experiments have shown that manipulating a particle can affect its past state, as if sending information backwards in time. It's enough to make your head spin, isn't it? But let's pause for a moment and ponder on the implications of this. If particles can remain interconnected across space and time, it suggests a universe where everything is intimately linked, where separation is just an illusion. It paints a picture of reality that is far more complex and interconnected than our everyday experiences suggest. But what does this mean for us, for consciousness, for existence itself? Could this quantum connection be the key to understanding telepathy, the supposed direct transfer of thoughts and feelings between individuals? Could it explain the profound sense of oneness and interconnectedness reported in spiritual experiences? These are hefty questions, ones that bridge the gap between science and metaphysics, between the material and the spiritual. They challenge our classical notions of space, time, and separation, pushing us to expand our understanding of reality. This introduces us to a universe that is far more interconnected than we ever imagined. This quantum enigma, while complex and confounding, offers us a glimpse into the profound mystery of existence. It invites us to question, to explore, and to marvel at the intricate web of connections that underpin our universe. As we delve deeper into this enigma, we may find that reality is far stranger and more beautiful than we ever thought possible. Now ponder over this. Could the human mind reflect the same quantum field that we see in the universe? Let's dive into the fascinating world of the human mind. Like the universe, our minds are a complex network of interconnected thoughts, emotions, and memories. The brain's electrical activity, a dazzling display of neural fireworks, could very well mirror the quantum dynamics we observe in the cosmos. But how? Consider quantum entanglement, the most peculiar phenomena in quantum physics. This principle proposes that particles can become entwined in such a way that the state of one directly influences the state of the other, regardless of the distance between them. This instantaneous, mysterious connection transcends our conventional understanding of space and time. Could this principle also apply to the human brain? Some theorists propose that the mind is essentially a quantum field. If we accept this view, then it's possible that our thoughts, emotions, and perceptions are quantum events happening within this field. This could mean that our minds are not confined to our physical bodies, but instead extend into the universe, connecting us to everything around us. This brings us to the intriguing concept of telepathy. If our minds are quantum fields and quantum entanglement enables instantaneous connections, then could this provide a scientific explanation for telepathic phenomena? Could our thoughts and feelings be transmitted across the quantum field, allowing us to communicate mind to mind, beyond the limitations of language and physical proximity? These are bold ideas, certainly, and they are not without controversy. Yet they offer a fresh perspective on the nature of consciousness and human connection. They challenge us to rethink our assumptions about the divide between mind and matter, between self and other, between human and universe. So is it possible that we are all connected in a web of quantum entanglement? As we delve deeper into the quantum world, we may find that reality is far more interconnected and mysterious than we ever imagined. Skepticism is the bedrock of scientific discovery. But even in skepticism, there lurks a curiosity that pushes us to uncover the unknown. Quantum entanglement and telepathy, these are ideas that stretch the boundaries of our understanding. They tiptoe on the edge of science and philosophy, of the seen and unseen. The evidence supporting these concepts remains limited, yet they continue to spark intrigue in the scientific community and beyond. The notion of an interconnected universe, of minds linked across vast distances, it's a tantalizing prospect. It challenges our classical understanding of space, time, and separation. It prompts us to question the nature of consciousness, of existence itself. It's a puzzle, a riddle wrapped in a mystery, and it's one we are compelled to solve. Unexplained phenomena, while puzzling, inspire us to explore the quantum links that might connect us all. Imagine a world where communication transcends physical boundaries. A world where telepathy is not just a concept, but a reality. As we peer into the future of consciousness, we find ourselves on the precipice of such a world. A world where the lines between the human mind and the technological realm blur, creating a canvas of infinite possibilities. Brain-computer interfaces and quantum technology are the paintbrushes with which we'll paint this future. These technologies hold the potential to redefine communication and connection, taking them beyond the realms of physical interaction and into the realm of the metaphysical. Brain-computer interfaces, for instance, are devices that enable a direct communication pathway between the brain and an external device. Imagine the potential of such a technology, where thoughts could be transmitted as easily as we text or call. Quantum technology, on the other hand, takes this concept even further. Drawing from the principles of quantum physics, particularly quantum entanglement, this technology could enable instantaneous communication, transcending the barriers of time and space. In a world where particles remain linked across vast distances, where they behave as one, sharing information instantly, is it not conceivable that our minds could do the same? Could we not, with the aid of these technologies, tap into this interconnected universe? Such a possibility opens up a new frontier in our understanding of consciousness. It challenges our classical notions of individuality and separation, suggesting instead a world where minds are interconnected, where thoughts and emotions can be shared instantly and effortlessly. These technologies hold the potential to make telepathy feasible, to make it a reality. But with this reality comes a host of ethical and philosophical questions. How would such a world change our understanding of privacy, of individuality, of connection? These are questions we must grapple with as we stand on the cusp of this new reality. But one thing is clear: the future of consciousness is a realm of infinite possibilities, a realm that we have only begun to explore. Could this be the future of consciousness? What does this mean for our understanding of reality, relationships, and even free will? As we delve into the depths of quantum entanglement, we find ourselves facing a philosophical paradigm shift. Quantum frameworks challenge our perceptions, pushing us to rethink our understanding of the universe and our place within it. This shift is not a passive one. It's a dynamic process that calls us to merge the realms of science and spirituality, to find a middle ground where the physical and metaphysical coexist. In this merged realm, we begin to see the world not as a collection of isolated entities, but as a web of connections, each thread vibrating with the frequencies of the universe, each connection creating a pattern that signifies unity and oneness. But what does this unity mean for our consciousness and existence? Are we, as conscious beings, entangled in this universe just like the particles we observe? Questions like these arise from the quantum entanglement phenomenon, urging us to explore the blurred lines between the material world and the realm of consciousness. The implications of this paradigm shift extend beyond our understanding of the universe to how we perceive relationships. If we are all truly interconnected, then the way we relate to each other takes on a new meaning. We are no longer separate entities interacting on a superficial level, but interconnected parts of a larger whole, influencing and being influenced by each other on a quantum level. This shift also poses intriguing questions about free will. If our actions are part of a grand, interconnected web, to what extent are we truly free? Are our choices independent, or are they influenced by the quantum connections we share with the universe? These are complex questions with no easy answers. Yet they are questions worth exploring as we strive to comprehend our existence in this vast and complex universe. They invite us to blend science with spiritual teachings, to see the universe not just through the lens of physics, but also through the lens of philosophy and spirituality. As we continue to explore the infinite possibilities of the quantum world, we are encouraged to redefine connection and possibility, In the end, the exploration of quantum mechanics is more than just a scientific endeavor. It's a journey into the unknown, an adventure into the very fabric of reality. It's a quest that takes us beyond the physical, beyond the tangible, into the realm of the invisible and the intangible. It's a voyage that uncovers the interconnectedness of everything, revealing the unity that underpins the universe. This exploration stirs our curiosity, ignites our imagination, and broadens our understanding. It invites us to reconsider our place in the universe, to reassess our relationships, to reevaluate our perceptions of reality. It presents us with profound questions about consciousness, existence, and the nature of reality itself. Through the lens of quantum mechanics, we see a universe that is deeply interconnected, where distance and separation are but illusions. We see a world where mind and matter are intimately linked, where reality is not fixed, but fluid and ever-changing. We may be on the brink of a new understanding of reality, consciousness, and the interconnectedness of all things. Finally, the big question remains: could telepathy and teletransportation be within our reach, and how to approach this knowledge? The debate is as profound as the questions themselves. Should we rely on material technologies or tap into the power of our own consciousness through spiritual exploration? On one side, advocates for material technologies argue that science is the key. Innovations like brain-computer interfaces, quantum processors, and biofeedback systems are already showing promise in bridging the gap between human consciousness and quantum phenomena. These technologies allow us to measure, replicate, and expand our understanding of entanglement in ways that spiritual practices cannot. Consider how dolphins evolved their remarkable echolocation abilities. By developing external tools like sonar-like mechanisms, they advanced their communication and navigation, reaching a level of precision unmatched in nature. If dolphins could evolve external aids, why shouldn't humans use technology to expand their potential? With quantum computing and advancements in neural networks, we could one day achieve instantaneous communication or even teleportation through entanglement. But not everyone agrees. Proponents of spiritual exploration believe that material technologies only scratch the surface. For centuries, spiritual traditions have pointed to the interconnectedness of all things. Long before quantum entanglement was discovered, practices like meditation, mindfulness, and focused intention may hold the key to unlocking abilities like telepathy. Why rely on external tools when our consciousness itself might be the most powerful technology of all? Spiritualists also warn of the risks of over-reliance on material tools. Technologies can be misused for control, surveillance, or exploitation. Instead, tapping into our innate abilities promotes harmony, self-awareness, and an ethical path forward. Dolphins, after all, developed their echolocation naturally, not artificially. Shouldn't humanity follow a similar evolutionary path? Perhaps the truth lies in combining both approaches. Imagine a world where material technologies complement spiritual practices. Advancements like biofeedback could enhance meditative states, while insights from consciousness studies could guide the ethical development of technology. By blending the precision of science with the boundless potential of spirituality, humanity might finally uncover the secrets of quantum entanglement, achieving telepathy and teletransportation in a way that respects both innovation and inner growth. The possibilities are limitless. The only question is, which path will we choose?